Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So the video that I'm going to be doing today is going to be a Boxy Charm unboxing for the month of February. This is going to go up as soon as possible due to the fact that I did receive the box late. I was supposed to receive it on the 13th. I did not get it hit until the 15th. So yeah, but sorry. I will try to get this up as quickly as possible for y'all. So we'll just go ahead and get right on into the video. So this, of course, is the Boxy Charm. Let me do it over here. My chair. It's like, of course, it's just the regular Boxy Charm. It's not the Boxy Luxe. We will not get that until next month of March. So I'll just go ahead and start pulling stuff out. So the theme of this month is the Afterglow. Which is this right here. This is what the thing looks like. And of course you do get the thing that tells you what you received and and how much it was. Okay, so let me go ahead. Get some stuff out of the way. Okay, so the first item that I am pulling out is going to be the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Says it's an ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollution, residue, and makeup while nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. Which is really good, especially if you have dry skin. This is going to work extremely well for you. So it does say to apply to wet skin, massage on face in a circular motion, rinse with warm water. You can use this day and night. So those are really good. Of course, this is what the bottle looks like. Right here, Pharmacy. I have used a couple other things from this line only because I did get it in my Boxy Charm. That is going to be $22, which is really good. It says you soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. Now it does say that it is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, ammonia, some kind of acids. I'll put the word in here. And a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, probably butchered that word, aloe, and licorice root. So that sounds really good. Okay, so the next item that I'm pulling out, and yes, I did go the next product, and this is the one I'm really excited about. It's going to be the it's a pore minimizing primer. It's pretty much what it is. It's a smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. This does so you get 1.01 fluid ounce. It is touch and sew. So it looks like this right here, and it does have a pump, which is extremely good. Again, okay, and oh, I forgot to tell you the price of that. Sorry. That is going to be $18. It says that you create a seamless texture for your foundation with your new touch and sew no problem. I'm not sure how to say that. Primer, the light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, which gives your skin a soft velvet feel. It says green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Which, who doesn't want that, right? I'll also just get this here in front of me. Okay, so the next item, my Tristique. This is Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It is in the color, oh, it has a primer inside, really? Oh my god, like, wow, okay. So I didn't even know this, and this is like the second one I have of this. So this is a Prime and Lip Color Glaze. It says the color is English Rose. So as you can tell, that is what the color looks like. Sorry. So that is what the color looks like right there. Now the thing about this is, is that it says there's a primer inside. And I was like, okay, where? So I pulled up this. As you can tell, this is the lip color, which is really, really pretty. Okay? And I was like, well, it's a primer built in, you know, what's going on? Oh, it's magnetized too. Cool. Watch this, watch this. Okay, really? I mean, not really. Ready? Watch this. Watch it. Okay, so it's not what it did. So right here, on the bottom, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm trying to get as close as possible. It says primer inside, okay? So I was like, maybe it's a sharpener or something. And there's the primer. It's like built into the end of this. So you will pull this apart. So just twist it, pull it out. There's the primer. It's awesome. We shall see if that really we'll see if that really works. Okay, so the next item that I'm pulling out is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which of course looks like this right here. Everybody knows this mascara. It is not an unknown. This has a cult following for a reason. This is, of course, $24. It is by Too Faced. It does say that you indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates coats and curls each lash to perfection. Now, it does say that you can, of course, you know how to use mascara. You just put it on your eyelashes and stuff like that. I am not going to open this to show you what it looks like because if I am not mistaken, me and one of the girls at work is supposed to exchange items. So, more than likely, the last item that come in the box is going to be something I'm really, really excited about. This is the Pretty Vulgar. That's the name of the brand, not the name of the product, by the way. Let me just get it fixed here. So this is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I was really excited about this because I was really, really hoping I would get the highlighter. Now this, I do have a couple of the other products like the blushes and stuff like that. I really, really like this brand. What I've tried, I have not been disappointed, y'all. I mean, it's really, really good stuff. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is, of course, super, super cute. If I can get the camera. There we go. As you can tell, it's got like little detail. Oh, wait a minute, like little details right here. And that's one thing I love about their packaging. And then there is the actual highlighter. Really, it's a really pretty highlighter and stuff like that. And the name of this highlighter is called Shimmering Swan. Just ignore the handprints and stuff all over it. The only thing I hate about packaging like this right here is that you touch it, watch this, and it's dirty. And it won't come off. I just tried rubbing it on my leg. It's bright, sorry, my ring light. So that's the only thing I hate about packaging like this, but I'm really excited to use this and stuff like that. So I'm very excited. That and the primer that I got is probably two of the ones I'm really... So the primer and the highlighter are two of the ones that I'm really, really excited about using. This highlighter by the is going to be... Oh, it says that it is 32... Okay, so this is $32 for this highlighter. Okay, so it does say that it allows your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into. This unique, velvety, smooth highlighter infused with glow, love, and light reflecting and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Okay, I like that. I mean, it does look really pretty too. I'm really excited. I'm like, I don't know, for some reason this is really one of the things I'm really excited to use. I just wanted to say thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have not already, Please like, share, and subscribe this to my channel before you leave if you want to. Like the video, share the video, you know. That way it helps get my content out to other people. Maybe they'll like it, you know, I don't know. But yeah, I really appreciate everything that you all have done, and I do want to thank you for subscribing and for interacting with me on my channel and my other media platforms. Again, all that information will be in the box down below. But I really hope that you all have a great weekend, and I hope that you enjoy your weekend, and thank you so much, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye.